Greetings, everybody. I'm Larry Williams, the Director of CARMA, the Consortium for the Advancement of Research Methods and Analysis in the Rawls College of Business at Texas Tech University. And it's my pleasure to welcome you to this short preview video that I am making to give an overview of an exciting event that starts next week that CARMA is hosting, our new doctoral student workshop series. Briefly, CARMA is an academic center in the Rawls College of Business. We are a nonprofit and we are devoted to research methods education and management with a heavy emphasis on doctoral students and faculty. And so our goal is to help students and faculty at all stages in their development gain a better understanding and advance their skills in research methods. I'm going to explain what we do and details about this event by using information from our website, which, as you can see on the screen, is karmattu.com. And so let me invite you to take a look at information on our homepage. And in the About Us drop-down menu, you can find information about our staff, our board members, our history, our instructors, and some past videos. Our main model that we operate and have been using for over 20 years is an institutional membership model, and you can see information in the flashing sliders. We have both the regular program and an international program that gives access to people from different institutions to what we're doing. We also are very excited about our affiliate membership program with the Academy of Management, which allows Academy of Management faculty and students, members, any members, to have access to some CARMA events. And you can find information about all the things that we do, including our short courses. And you can find more details about all of these types of things in the various sections of our homepage. But what I'm going to do is get to the focus for today, and that is our new doctoral student workshop series. This is something that, as you can see, we have put together specifically for early age students who are wanting to either get a preview as they start their doctoral training on some key concepts and vocabulary and issues that they will encounter in their doctoral training and research methods, or it may also serve as a review for those early in their career to help them, for example, as they start organizing their materials for comps. So with this event, and I should point out that it has been designed by two of CARMA's editorial team, Ernest O'Boyle and Justin DeSimon. They are the ones who came up with these topics and helped put the structure to it. So this is going to occur next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And each day there will be two sessions, one from 9 to 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time, and then we'll take a short break, and then we pick up again from 11 to 12:30. As you can see on day one, we'll give kind of an overview of the academic life and some key resources that may be of value as you're getting started and moving through the early stage of your career. Andrew Hanna, Chris Winchester, and Betty Zhao are going to be our three panelists for that session, a very accomplished group from various stages of their careers. From there, we're moving on. The second session that day from 11 to 12:30 is on ethics, open science, and scientific integrity. And we've got George Banks and Gilad Hin and Andrea Schwab. They're going to share different perspectives on content related to these topics. The next day, we start in the morning with Ernest O'Boyle and Paul Spector, helping us understand the connection between theory and methods and how that impacts sampling, measurement, analysis, and interpretation. Then we'll get into more details about measurement, and we'll be having Mike Braun, Don Klemper, and Miko Ronco talk about psychometrics, scale construction, and also big data. The next day, on Wednesday, we move on to research design and causal inference. We got Heiko Breitso, Nico Dimotakis, and Deb Powell that'll be talking about the causal inference process and some tools, providing some tools for that. We'll also be talking about different types of data structures that require multi-level analysis, and then also an introduction to quasi-experimental designs. In the second session of the day, we'll move on to literature reviews, meta-analysis, and the accumulation of knowledge. And very excited to have Eric Gonzalez-Moulet, Goran Koljanin, and Scott Morse talking about different perspectives on meta-analysis. And then we move to close on our last day. We'll have Tina Kohler and Rhonda Rieger talking about qualitative methods and different perspectives that are associated with that. And we'll close with we'll close our Thursday session with a discussion of the hot topic of AI and how it relates to the future of organizational research. And we have Justin Desimon, Miko Runko, and Jesper Wolf. So it's a great set of events that we have put together, and thanks to Ernest and Justin for doing that. On our homepage, you will find information about how to register. Notice if you are wanting to join because you are an AOM member, there are some special instructions that you can follow. And if you have any problems along the way, you can contact us at karma@ttu.edu, or you can also email me directly at larry.williams@ttu.edu. So we're very excited about this new event, and we hope that you will join us. Those sessions, you can join them live and have the opportunity to ask questions and have them answered. And then we will also be recording them because we know it's a busy time, and so you likely won't be able to attend all of them. So make sure you understand that you register for the set, but you're free to come to as many as you like. And so I will hope to see you next week. Thank you.